Good morning, guys. As you can see, it's pretty stormy out. Woke up basically because of the wind. We can't even see the town over there because of all the rain and the clouds. The only mountain we can see is Kirkjafell. So today we're just gonna explore this area a little more. We're kind of just hanging out at the moment, waiting for the store to open, and then we'll get some breakfast and head out on our way. All right, off we go. All right, we've made it to the store. Right on time. All right, we just got done at the store. We ended up getting some like true Icelandic snacks per a couple like blogs that I was reading. Things that they said were the Icelandic hot dogs, which we've already had.
Super good, by the way.
These Appleton drinks, which are their sodas. They've been making them since like 1955.
Cannot try these as of right now because they are, you need a bottle opener, so fail.
We got some flat koker.
Wow, good job.
I say that with a Spanish accent, probably terrible. They're rye flatbreads. Yeah, it's actually pretty interesting. It's got like well, they say it's cooked on fire, yet it's still soft.
It has like a smoky taste to it, definitely.
Yeah, that's pretty good. We got some chocolate covered licorice, which I'm not really a black licorice fan, and I don't think you are either, but.
Look at them, they're so tiny. Smells like black licorice. My nose is already like,
Are you going to eat the whole thing, or are you going to bite it in half?
I don't want to get chocolate all over my teeth, so I'll probably just eat it all.
Yeah, same.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It's hard. Oh, it's going to be soft.
I almost broke my tooth. For a second there. Oh. There it is. It's good with the chocolate, but then when the chocolate melts away and you're just tasting that black licorice.
It's chewy and you still have to get through that.
And it's stuck to my tooth.
Yeah. And we also got a kleina.
Oh yeah. This I could eat every day of my life.
That's pretty good.
It's like a dense donut without like the glaze. It's like a dense croissant.
Oh, we also got Nick's. We had to get this just because it said Nick's. Nick's peanut and fudge bar.
Yum!
No added sugar.
We're just gonna break it in half here.
Oh, it looks like a Snickers bar. It's pretty good. And I'm an Oreo fan, so we got this. They have these candy bars like everywhere. That's a big candy bar. And it was only like 300 krona. Which is like $3.
Less than $3.
Less than $3. Ooh. Just in the part she broke off, you can see the little Oreo chunks.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ow.
Their chocolate tastes different. Ours probably has a bunch of crap in it. That's probably why.
Yeah.
And this is like real chocolate. It's really rich. It's like rich, right?
Yeah. I was good with one piece. And the last two things on there were like dried fish and fermented shark, which we do kind of want to try, but we also heard that you can like get samples of them at the stores in Reykjavik, so we may try that.
Otherwise, it's like 20 bucks to buy a container of it here, at least this store, and we're like,
yeah,
not fan.
We'll probably just eat like a cube and not like it. So
yeah,
we'll see if we can get a sample in Reykjavik.
Overall, I really like Icelandic like bread and pastries apparently, but I like that in all countries, so.
Yeah, the kleina was pretty good, but I think out of all those, just for the experience, the chocolate covered licorice.
Really?
It's not like my favorite, but it's what I enjoyed the most out of this experience.
Yeah, probably because it was just so different and out of the ordinary.
Yeah. I think my favorite Icelandic food so far is the Icelandic hot dog.
Yeah, definitely. So I would just like to say thank goodness we finished up most of our like sightseeing yesterday, because today is almost like the first day at going to Snæfellsnes. It's super rainy, windy. It's like doing the raining sideways stuff, and the wind gusts are almost as bad as that one day, and we have to go up on that narrow cliff up there. Oh my gosh, we're gonna die. So anywho, we're still driving around. We might go to another village by our village to check out, but as of right now the weather's pretty crappy. Also in Iceland, don't mind the tractor on the road, but there's speed signs that give you a smiley face if you're doing good. You see the smiley face? Yay, Nick, good driver.
Thanks. So we found the one spot in this area that's not super windy. Still rainy, still cold, but just look at this land.
My life is a move.
Take it back. It's still really cold and rainy. We're out there for only like 5 minutes and I couldn't feel my fingers. Yeah, it's pretty rainy, pretty cold. I think we're gonna make a pit stop at the house and hopefully this weather goes away. There's one drone shot that I wanna get before we leave. Hey, maybe it'd actually be better right now. We'll go see. So I did change the SD cards just to make sure I didn't lose all the footage I've gotten so far.
Rip.
It has been updated.
And here we go. We did it. We made it, we survived. And we got some sweet shots. Oh, hey. We did it. All right, so we just made it home. So now it's time to try the Appleton orange soda.
Yum! So when, BT Dub? Cheers. It's like Wanta Fanta.
All right, I think this and an Icelandic hot dog is the way to go in Iceland.
Yes.
All right, now it's time to make some dinner. Tonight we're just eating at the house and having some soup and enjoying this view.
And tomorrow, Blue Lagoon.
Tomorrow we are going to the Blue Lagoon. We are leaving here before the sun comes up and heading our way back to Reykjavik to head to the Blue Lagoon and then explore that peninsula. See you guys tomorrow.
This is really good. We should have got like 5 bottles of this.
For real, 5 each.
Mm-hmm.